Hello everyone. So I finally got my phone. So I'm about to unbox it so we can all see what it looks like and hopefully also works. Make sure you guys can't see my address. Also, I'm still in my PJs, so don't mind me. Bro, why is this the most complicated box I've had to open? No, I just hope it's actually good quality. I mean, at this point, most anything would be better than my old phone because it's just not functioning. Alright. Yes. Alright, so that's everything. Okay. So here is the phone. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. How do I get this out? Oh, here. So I'm not sure how to set up service. I already have a service plan with them, so I'm pretty sure I just have to add the device and switch my old phone to this one, which hopefully doesn't take too long. Alright. Alright. And here's all the stuff for activating the service. But right now we're just interested in this phone. Alright. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. I've literally waited for this. Look at me breaking it already. Dropping things. Okay. Let's get this actual phone off. Y'all, it's like this mesmerizing mirror glass. So cool. This is so much slimmer than I thought, and it's super lightweight. I'm not used to having a phone this light. I think there's like a screen protector on. I'm gonna leave that on for now. Okay, so let's try to turn this on. I think I'm gonna have to charge it first, or plug it in. Alright, so here also is the charger. This looks like a super short charger. This is very short, which is kind of disappointing. And this has a USB-C charger, which I'm not actually used to. Alright, I'm gonna have to move you guys to the ground. One sec. Alright, never mind y'all. I just didn't hold down the button enough, so it's powering on. Let's unpack the other stuff that's in here. It has the little key pin for a SIM card, which shouldn't be necessary.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Oh, and it's asking me questions. So far, the screen looks really nice. And someone said there's like a clear phone case in here, and they said it's like hidden, but I haven't seen that. In this box. So whoever said that is lying. Alright, so I'm gonna also have to try to figure out how to activate my service. So I'm going to open my computer to do that.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
And this thing talks a lot, so let me read all the stuff I have to do. There's so much papers and pamphlets everywhere.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Didn't you have to agree to conditions for even starting the phone? Crazy. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get it all set up and then close out the video. Alright, you guys, my phone is officially all set up. I have my BTS background. Basically, it re-downloaded my phone right here that I'm currently filming this on. So, yeah. I'm trying to figure out where all my apps are, though, because I only see, like, 2 of them. And it said it was going to download all of them. And I thought at least it was downloading more of them. So, yeah. Hopefully I like it so far. I'm going to try to play with it some more, and then you guys will see. I also did the steps to connect my service, so I just have to turn it off, turn it back on, and then try to make a call, and hopefully it works. The next video you guys will see of me will probably be filmed on this phone, so look out for that.